In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in Notion. Welcome and thanks for joining me. In this tutorial, I will walk you through a simple and effective way to create your own archive system inside Notion. This is perfect if you want to keep your workspace clean and organized while still holding on to notes, completed tasks, or older project materials that you do not want to delete. Before we jump in, there is one important thing to understand. Notion does not currently have a built-in archive feature. Because of that, what I am about to show you is a practical workaround that works extremely well for archiving content within a single page. If your goal is to archive entire pages from the sidebar, that process works differently. However, for organizing content inside a page, this method is one of the easiest and most flexible options available. Start by opening the Notion page where you want your archive to live. This might be a project page filled with notes, task list, or reference material that has grown over time. To create your archive, we are going to use a toggle block. Click anywhere on the page and type a / to open Notion's command menu. From there, type toggle and select toggle list. This creates a collapsible container that works like a digital storage box. Once the toggle block is added, give it a clear and meaningful name. A simple label like archive works perfectly. You can click directly into the toggle text and rename it. Adding a small emoji is optional, but it can make the archive easier to spot visually, especially on busy pages. Clear naming is important so you always know where archived content lives. Now it is time to move content into the archive. Locate the notes, task lists, subpages, or blocks you want to set aside. Hover over the item and click the 6-dot handle next to it. This allows you to drag the content. Slowly drag it into the toggle block you just created. You can move individual blocks, entire sections, or even nested content. Take your time here since dragging can sometimes feel a bit sensitive. Watch for the blue line indicator to confirm you are placing items in the correct spot. After everything is inside the toggle, click the arrow to collapse it. Instantly, your archived content is hidden from view but still fully accessible. Whenever you need something back, you can expand the toggle and retrieve it. This keeps your main workspace focused while preserving important information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.